Welcome back, YouTube. Bit of a slightly different vlog for today, and probably going to be a quicker one, hopefully. We got the Mercedes hearse back in, and it's gained a couple of scratches on the front bumper. So today I'm aiming to either remove or reduce these scratches. There's a couple of deep ones that you can catch your nail in. So I've got a little touch-up pen here as well, and we're going to see if we can make them look a lot better if I can't remove them. I'm going to switch over to my phone to show you the scratches because this camera just won't pick them up very well. So yeah, we'll switch over to that camera. Right, we switched over to my phone camera. You can just see them a lot better on here. Now I've hit that with a bit of 3000 to try and make these scratches a bit more visible. And you can see this beauty that goes up down there. We got these ones over here. We've got quite long ones that go up here. But yeah, and there's a, I don't know if I was going to pick it up. There's one that goes down there. But yeah, that one there, that's deep, that's deep, that's deep, that's deep. And here's my finger, there, that one there is deep. So yeah, I'll set up the other camera and just go through some processes of how I'm going to try and do this. So yeah, let's go back to the other camera. Yeah, obviously this front bumper is ceramic coated, so I'm just going to hit all the affected areas with 3000 wet and dry, just to knock back the ceramic coating and help me prepare for when I do a little bit of touching up in those areas. So yeah, so let's hit it with 3000 and set up the camera. So you can now see where the water's being repelled. I don't know if you could be able to see that. And then where I've sanded, it's not. Yeah, this is just clearing everything up so I can have a good look. Get a little bit more down here. So here I've just got my Mercedes touch-up paint and a little plastic black scraper blade. So all I want to do I don't want loads dripping off this. I literally want to put a splodge there, and then with my blade spread him out across the scratch. camera. And there you can see that I've just scraped that down there. I need to go a little bit more down that part. But yeah, the idea is to kind of just try and fill in what I can, let it dry, and then see where we are at. Sorry, it's first thing in the morning again. And yeah, I've given up my energy drinks, and yeah, all I drink now is pretty much water. Yeah, gave up all my energy drinks. I quit smoking, and yeah, just I'm still not used to not having an energy drink in the morning. So I'm sorry if I'm a bit croaky. Ugh. Oh, no, I just spilt on my hand. Try not to happen. Do another one up there. If I've got any excess, I just try and dab it with my finger to try and smoothen it out. All right, we'll let that dry, and then we'll come back in a minute and see what we're going to do for the next step. So the paint is now dry. I've just got a microfiber cutting pad, Lake Country. I've already primed it. I just got some special sauce. My special little mixture, that is. So yeah, we're just going to try and remove all the excess paint. See what we're left with. The battery's just died. Oh, God. Let's try that one again. Definitely going to take a couple of hits with this, I think. Oh, I tell you what I am going to do. I'm going to swap angles because I'm trying to do that cack-handed. Whoa! Right, hold on. Light on. Hopefully you can see. Jesus, this machine. So we got the Flex two-step compound, which I want to try. So we'll try it on this one. A couple of small blobs on there. Right, move that light. Right, let's have a look. Oh, that's a lot better. Give it a quick wipe down. Oh yes, so much better. Right, let me go and get a finishing pad. Right, so we just have a Ruper's white finishing pad. Get on there somewhere square. That'll do. And Geon polish. Couple of splodges on there. Tone down. Let's have a look, see what that's like. Woo, what a difference. That, definitely need to do a bit more testing with it. First impression wasn't that happy with the results, but I can't tell that from the first go. So yeah, definitely going to do some more testing on this. We'll see where we'll come back with that one on another day, and yeah, we'll do a bit more testing. Right, let me get my just got some Geon prep. Yeah, some of them are still in there. I knew that they all weren't going to come out. So, right, let me go and get my coating. We'll put that on and then we'll come back for some afters. So in my little bottle here, I have Geon Can Coat Pro Evo, which we're going to put a layer on this section. Like so. Do do do. Yeah, you can just see all the rainbowing happening there. Yeah, probably a bit too thick on that coat. Yeah, so how much better is that? There's a couple of deep little ones in there. But yeah, very happy with that result. So that is the Mercedes-Hearst bumper scratch rectification finished. Yeah, really happy with how that's come out. Not 100% perfect. I knew it was never going to be perfect because the ones that were dotted going, they had gone right through the paint. So yeah, doing a bit of touch up, smearing it in has helped with that. But yeah, outside, you're not going to be able to see them. So yeah, absolutely win-win. So that's kind of how I do scratch repairs. Everyone is obviously different and will require different techniques. But I'll try and do a separate vlog later dedicated to scratch or how I do scratches. Because I'm learning all the time. I learn on every one that I do. Yeah, so really happy with that. We'll come back on the next one.